beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. Yes, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Yes, I want to teach you how to make avocado oil. So we're going to use 4 pieces of avocado. I just want to show you how to make avocado oil. We'll start by, these are ripe ones already. We're going to cut them open. So the next step is for you to scoop out the avocado from the back here. So we're going to remove the avocado from it. This is bad, but so the next step is we are going to use, after removing the avocado into a plastic, we're going to use, you are meant to use something to mesh it, but today I'm going to use a chisel to mesh it, just to give it a little pound for a while. And then you can also improvise by using something else, something that can help you mesh this avocado. As you can see, I'm done meshing it already. So I'm going to keep this for it to dry. We need it to be dried. I'm going to keep it under the sun for it to dry. Let's get to that. So we are done for now. Thank you. Hello, so welcome back again. So today is the grand finale of our avocado oil production. So we're gonna see if it came out as expected. Let's get right into it. Now let's see. As you can see, it's really dry. I'm gonna just see if you see it very well. You can even see the oil. You can see the oil. Let's go closer to it now. So just want to straight this out. So oil is possible. I'm going to use to rub my hair. I observed that the oil needs time to come out, so I'm just going to apply wisdom to this thing. So I wasn't satisfied with that. I had to continue with this.